Yes, hello. Myself Dr. Mayuresh Kulme. So today we will see the topic that is the type of transformer, right? That is what the type of transformer. Now आपने कभी सोचा है जो कुछ भी बिजली तैयार हो जाती है नियर अबाउट 11,000 टेन वोल्ट सो और अपने घर पे जो होती है 230 वोल्ट होती है सो हाउ इट विल कन्वर्ट दैट लार्ज नंबर इनटू द 230 वोल्ट that everything has been done by the transformer. ये एक ऐसा डिवाइस है जो इस तरीके का कन्वर्जन करता है राइट सो द बेसिक ऑफ द ट्रांसफॉर्मर द कंस्ट्रक्शन एंड वर्किंग दैट वी हैव सीन इन द अनदर वीडियो but in this video we are going to see the type of transformer and the question may be for 4 or 6 months and which is very simple. Okay, now the first type of transformer is got the instrument transformer, and there are two types of instrument transformer, current and potential transformer. Then step up and step down transformer. So how it looks, what are the application of this, that we are going to see in the next slide. That is the another type of transformer is a single phase and three phase transformer, right? The power transformer and the distribution transformer. Okay, so these two type of transformers are dependent according to type of application. This is according to the type of supply and so we'll see one by one the these type of transformer with the real how it will look, right? Now look student, look, this is what the first type of transformer is, what the instrument transformer. So what is the instrument transformer? Okay, what is instrument transformer? Instrument transformer are used to measure and protect the electrical system, okay, by reducing the high current. मीन्स आपको इलेक्ट्रिकल सिस्टम प्रोटेक्ट करना है तो आपको कौन सा ट्रांसफार्मर चूज करना है? इंस्ट्रूमेंट ट्रांसफार्मर बाय रिड्यूसिंग द हाई करंट एंड वोल्टेज टू द सेफ वैल्यू. And there are two types of instrument transformer. The first one is what your the current transformer that will converts high current into the proportional low current. It is typically of 5 ampere to the 1 ampere for measurement and protection. Right, and the next type of transformer is what? The potential transformer and voltage transformer. This word indicates the meaning of this. And this voltage transformer will convert high voltage into the low voltage, typically 110 volt for metering and protecting relays. So these are the diagrams, need not to be drawn in the examination, but this is what the current transformer and voltage transformer will look like in real, and you might have seen this transformer somewhere in the industrial visit or somewhere in the any industry. Okay, so the second type of a transformer very important, that is step up and step down transformer. Now this transformer the इसके वर्ड में उसका मीनिंग है था. स्टेप अप मतलब क्या करना है? अगर आपको वोल्टेज इंक्रीज करना तो यू हैव टू गो फॉर द स्टेप अप ट्रांसफार्मर. So increase the voltage from primary winding to the secondary winding while decreasing the current, right? And what is step down transformer? मतलब मेरे पास एक एप्लीकेशन है, उसको 5 वोल्ट ही लगता है और मेरे पास अवेलेबल कितना है? 230 वोल्ट. ओके, तो अगर उस टाइप का कन्वर्जन करना है तो आप यू हैव टू गो फॉर द स्टेप डाउन ट्रांसफार्मर, राइट? It will decrease the voltage from the primary winding to the secondary winding while increasing the current, right? Now such a kind of these are the real image of the step up transformer and step down transformer. You might have seen these images on roads somewhere while you are traveling, right? So this is what the step up and step down transformer. Now what is the next, student? Single phase and the three phase transformer. It operates on the single phase AC supply and it's commonly used in the residential and small commercial application. And what about three phase in transformer? It operates a three phase AC supply and widely used in the industries, substation and power transformer. And this might you have seen this on the road, the single phase and three phase transformer, right? Now the next is what? The power transformer. So what is power transformer? So power transformer is designed for high voltage transmission network, right? So it operates at high efficiency and generally used in generating station and transmission substation to step up and step down voltages. And you might have seen again in one station or in one on side by side road side को भी आपने देखा होगा. So this is what the power transform applications are: power generating station and high voltage transmission substation. Okay. Yes, and the last type of a transformer, that is distribution transformer. A distribution transformer is used to reduce the transmission voltage to the low voltage suitable for domestic, commercial, and industrial consumers. And it is designed for continuous operation and provides a good voltage regulation. Very important. So the applications are the residential power supply, the commercial buildings, industrial distribution system, and this is just in a real-time image of distribution transformer. Okay, so if the question in the examination, the type of transformer, then you have to draw this tree for this transformer, and no need to draw this image. Of course, not these images you need to draw in the examination, but you need to write the explanation of every transformer in short. Okay, thank you. Thanks for the team. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment box, right? Thank you.